Hello and welcome back to my channel Accountancy Step by Step. I am an MCom postgraduate, experienced guest lecturer in Government College since 2008, working in the corporate finance profile. With the help of my YouTube channel and Facebook page, I am teaching you accountancy. So stay safe at home and study with me. Today we will cover the balance sheet of numerical portion 2 unsolved of final account with adjustment. Let's start quickly. Welcome back to this video again. So today we are going to prepare the balance sheet of number 2 numerical of final account with adjustment class 11th. Yesterday we have covered trading account and profit and loss account. So just go through. I will attach the playlist for trading and profit and loss account. Now I'm just starting the balance sheet. Okay, so let's prepare. Let's catch up the things which are here in the adjustment. First, depreciation charged on machinery. So first of all, I am writing down machinery amount. Machinery less 5% depreciation. So machinery was 20,000 rupees. Out of this 5% was the depreciation. So now minus 5%. Okay, so this will come 20,000 minus 1,000, that will be 19,000, right? 20,000. Here 5% amount will be 1,000, which you can find out there also. So net machinery amount will be 19,000. Now look at the next adjustment. This is for the bad debts. So this is the bad debts entry. For this I am just taking the debtors first, because in debtors we will have to make a lot of adjustments. Debtors, how much is the debtors given in the trial balance is 50,000. Out of this I'll have to deduct the further bad debts. First of all, further bad debts 1,500. The amount will come here is 50,000, or this minus this is equal to 48,500. Now the next one is discount. I will deduct later. First of all, make a provision for debtors 6%. So new provision I will have to deduct from here. New provision we must have calculated yesterday, or for your convenience I can calculate here also. So this was a calculation, right? Here 6% I have charged on this. 6% was the provision for doubtful debts. See, this was my new provision. So I am now going to deduct it 2910 from the debtors. 2910 is my new provision. Now I am deducting it by this minus this 45590. Now out of this what I'll have to deduct? This discount on debtors. See, in the balance sheet we will put or deduct or apply only those things which are there in the adjustment. From the trial balance we don't need to consider it here in the balance sheet. So now discount on debtors also I am going to deduct. Discount I have calculated yesterday is this 5%. 5% is given over here. So this discount also I am going to deduct 2280. I am just going to round up 2280. 2280 is the discount. I am going to deduct it. So the net debtors come this minus this amount. These are the net debtors, right? 43310 are my net debtors. So this is done now. Wages prepaid. Prepaid, anything, any expense prepaid would be my asset. So wages prepaid 1,000 or 2,000 rupees. Let me check again. This is 1,000 rupees. This is my asset. Okay. Now interest on investment. this we will have to add it back in the investment amount, because in the investment I will get it back, right? With the investment I will get this amount also. This will also be my investment, or what else I can say it, this will be my asset. Oh my god. Okay, investment plus interest on investment. Okay, so now let me check how much was the investment. Investment was 23,100. Okay, so 23,100 plus 5% of the interest. This one, 5% interest was 1150, 1155 I guess. It's calculate again, is equal to this multiply by 5%. This one. So now the total investment will be equal to this plus this. 24,255 will be my new investment now. Closing stock, if that is given in the adjustment entries, we will have to put it in the asset side also. 10,000. Guys, final account with adjustment, all the numerical, all sum will take time. So just give time and understand each and every statement given in the adjustment and every term which is given in the trial balance. Otherwise, you will have to recalculate it again and again, and that will take a lot of time. Okay. So in the first go, this is better that take your time and understand the concept. Now all the adjustment I have entered in our balance sheet. Now let's start calculating the capital portion first. How we calculate capital in our balance sheet is, in the liability side, capital is given 75,000. So capital is something which the proprietor has introduced. Now the business will have to pay it back, or this is the liability from the business perspective. So net profit, if company has earned the net profit, this will also add in the capital, right? So in this case we have earned the net profit of this 52,565. 52,565. I am adding it here, 52,565. This is my net profit, right? So the total amount will be this plus this, right? Now we'll have to find out the drawings are given over here. The drawings are not given. If drawings would have been given, then we will have to deduct it, right? But no drawings are given, so this will be the all adjustment, all entries, right? So now let's find out the another transaction of balance sheet. Opening stock, purchase, return, inwards, postage, salary, wages, packaging, insurance, debtors. Debtors we have already covered. Cash in hand and cash at bank. Let's write down cash in hand and cash at bank. Cash in hand. If you want to prepare the balance sheet in the grouping, then you can make the heads of current assets and non-current assets. Cash in hand is 20,000 rupees. Cash at bank, 40,000. Machinery I have already covered, deducting the depreciation. Lighting, discount, bad debts, investment already covered, adding the interest. Sales, purchase, creditors are the liabilities. So now I am going to write down creditors here. Creditors is short-term liability or current liability, 10,000 rupees. Bills payable is also current liability. BP I am writing here, 20,000. Discount already covered, provision for doubtful debts, interest, capital. So everything is done now. Now let's submit I'm just going to add it. All should be same if my balance sheet is matching or correct. So that's it. From here I have started, and now the total of this is so both left and right side are matching, debit or credit both are matching. It means our balance sheet is matching. So balance sheet is also done now. So this sheet, this video you can scroll up and down and understand the terms whichever is used in this. A lot of adjustments are included in this in numerical portion. Okay, so go through the playlist attached, and all the videos are attached there for your convenience. Now just share the link with the accountancy students so that they also can get the benefit of this coaching. I will see you in the next video with some more numericals. We will try to cover all the different type of adjustment mentioning in the numerical unsolved. Okay, and soon we are going to start the revision classes also on Facebook Live. So just stay tuned. Stay safe at home and study with me. I will see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe my YouTube channel also and click on the bell icon to get the notification once I will upload the new video. Also, you can follow my Facebook page with the name of Accountancy Step by Step. I will see you in my next video with some more numerical portion. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Please subscribe my channel Accountancy Step by Step and click on the bell icon to get the notification once I will upload the next topic. Also, you can follow me on my Facebook page Accountancy Step by Step. I am uploading all the videos there also. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.